Study letter writing. As you all know, in the previous time, letter writing was a very popular form of art, and nowadays, because of the use of WhatsApp, email, and text message, the practice of writing letter has been reduced. But I would like to say that though the practice of letter writing has been reduced, but still, as the importance of print media will never come to an end, so also the importance of writing letter will not be done away with. Still, letter writing exists. So first I like to explain you what is letter writing. Letter writing is written, typed or printed communication sent in an envelope, by post or message. Now, what points one should note in letter writing? Letter writing should be in the correct format. It should be short and to the point. The point should be relevant, free from any grammatical spelling mistakes, polite even if you are complaining, well presented. That is coherence of idea. One idea should interconnect with other. Now there are two types of letter, formal letter and informal letter. All of you know the main difference between a formal and an informal letter is there. A formal letter is written for professional communication, like official or business letter are all included formal letter. It is written in the formal language with a specific format for business or official purpose. Example, a letter of inquiry, a letter of request or a letter of complaint. And an informal letter is used for personal communication. Informal letters are letters we write to our friends, relatives. There is no strict format to write an informal letter. Whatever one wants to express, one can express. Now, types of letter. There are business letter. They are primarily informational. Example, sales letter, order, letters of termination letter. Then formal letter is based on content. There may be personal content. Example, letter from principal to congratulate a student who secured high marks in an exam. Then semi-official letter, formal letter, that is between persons and with same rank position. Salutation will be dear, Mr. John, short and not quoted in official language.